Welcome back to this channel. Today in this video I will show you how to autofill date in Excel. So without wasting time, let's start video. If you find this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. So let's start. So I will show you two methods. So by following that method you can easily autofill date in Excel. So first method is that right here starting date. So here you can see the format. I selected month, days and year. So you can change the format of the date by click on the right side of mouse, and here you can see format cell option, so click on it, and in category you can see date option, so click on it, and when you will click on date you can see type options. So in type options you can change the format of date. You can see I selected month, days and year. So after that click on OK. So after this select the cells of starting date, and here you can see home options, and in home options you can see editing. So in editing box you can see fill options, so click on it. So here you can see series option, so click on it, and here you can see series in, type and date units. So in series in you can see rows and columns. So if you want to autofill date in row wise, so just select rows. So if you want to autofill date in column, so just click on column. So after that in type options, so because you want to autofill date, so that's why select date. So in date unit you can see day, weekday, month or year. So if you want to autofill date, so that's why we select day. So after that you can see here star values. So right here star values. So you can see it is the starting date, and you can write here star values. So I am writing star values. So after writing the, click on OK. So you can see all is done. In this way you can autofill date in column wise. So if you want to autofill date row wise, so right here again starting date. So after writing the starting date, again click on it, and then you can see item options in home. So after that click on fill options. So again click on series. So because now we want to autofill date in row wise, so that's why we will select rows. So after that again click on date and day, and right here star values. So after writing the star values, click on OK options. You can see autofill date is done in row wise. So guys, it is the first method. So by this method you can easily autofill date in column wise or in row wise. So second method is that, so firstly write the starting date, and here after this select the cells on which you have written the starting date. After that click on the bottom right side of the cells. So after that you can see plus options, so drag to it according to your needs. So you can see autofill date is done. So it is the second method. So if you want to autofill dates in row wise, so again right here starting date. So after writing the starting date, so you can see first of all selecting the cells of starting date, and you can see a small circle at the bottom right side. So just click on it, and you can see plus options. So drag to plus options when you will press the left side of mouse. So drag to according to your needs. So you can see autofill date is done. So guys, in this way you can autofill date in Excel. So guys, if you want to watch more useful videos related to Excel, then go to playlist and you can find more useful videos related to Excel. So guys, if this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.